Yeah, I feel pretty sorry for the next guy who looks at me funny.
What about that guy?
Don't be silly. He's not bothering anybody. It's a zombie!
Hey, you guys. Take that, you zombie!
I'll take it from here.
Die, zombie!
Good police work, Officer Nancy.
Oh, it's evil. It's diabolical. It's lemon scented.
Patrick,
Yes, SpongeBob?
I don't think this bubble can get much bigger.
Nonsense!
No!